everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'll show you how to post on Bigo Live. So let's get started. First, open your Bigo Live application. Then tap on Me option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down to the bottom of your screen and then tap on Post option. Now select the picture that you want to post and then tap on Done button. Then adding your caption. You can add title, mention friend, or add emoji too. Once you're done, tap on the Post button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can add post on Bigo Live. Thanks for watching Technology Glance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.